So this is my first attempt at taking the boat out solo with Kai. I've always been a little worried about it, but it's actually worked out pretty well. I made myself a little harness here with his life jacket. When he's up here on deck, he's always tethered in. That's been working out pretty good. And we'll go see how he looks in the V-berth where he's sleeping right now. So we're going pretty fast, about 5 knots here. Kind of see our wake here. Flying. Let's go peek on our baby.